Tyrus and Mike.
Coach Yo, andyan ka na rin lang. Coach, last conference, alam natin medyo nagkaroon ng konting color yung finals after you had some words with Jericho and Chris Ross. No? Magkakaroon ba ng ganung kulay uli this coming finals?
Basta wag lang gawin ni Jericho ulit yan, walang mangyayari. No, okay kami ni Jericho. He played really well. I think he was the reason why the finals MVP siya. So, big part of them winning was Jericho's play. So, hopefully, hindi na ganun kaganda shooting ni Jericho.
Jericho, can we hear something from you out of that kay Coach Jolas? Ayaw sumagot.
Bahala na kung ano mangyari sa game. Basta ako, lalaruin ko yung laro ko. Tapos yung fire sa akin, ilalabas ko para yun. Kumbaga, sabi ni Coach Jonas, huwag ko daw gagawin. Tingnan natin, baka magawa ko ulit yun. So huwag mo na nakawain, Coach, ha? Yun lang yun.
All right, leave it up to Sir Jerry to ask the juiciest questions so far. Let's ask the veterans of both